Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to set up an automation in ActiveCampaign from start to finish. Whether you want to welcome new subscribers, send out targeted emails, or follow up on purchases, automation can handle it all. So to get started, head over to the automation tab in ActiveCampaign and click on Create New Automation. You'll have the option to choose from pre-built templates or start from scratch. Let's go with start from scratch just to see how everything works. Next, you'll need to select a trigger. This is what starts the automation, like when a contact subscribes to your list, purchases a product, or clicks a link in one of your emails. Once the trigger is set, we'll use subscribes to a list. There we go. You can begin adding actions. All right, so this could be sending a welcome email, tagging the contact, or even waiting a few days before sending a follow-up. All right, so let's just do something simple like send an email. Email name. Let's say welcome to our store. And then we can say something like, to welcome you, we'd like to give you a 10% discount. There we go. And then hit and save and exit. And then we can choose how we want to send the email. We can send it immediately, or we can send it with predictive sending. And this is using machine learning to send emails when a contact is more likely to open them. So let's just choose that one. And so with ActiveCampaign's visual automation builder, you can easily map out the entire workflow and add or adjust actions as needed. So once you've built your automation, you can hit active and you're good to go. So if you're new to ActiveCampaign, check out the free trial link in the description and start automating your marketing today.